right now. But in a few weeks, Christmas trees will be on curbs headed for landfills, unless you make a green choice instead.
When it's time to pull off the tinsel and pack away the lights, don't trash your Christmas tree. Take it to one of the City of Houston's 14 tree recycling locations. With the how-tos and the where-tos, we're joined by City of Houston Solid Waste Management's Sandra Jackson. Good morning, Sandra.
Good morning.
So what happens if a Christmas tree does wind up in a landfill?
Well, we want to educate the public and have them recycle their tree, because if it ends up in a landfill, it doesn't decompose. It just stays there. And so by recycling, we want to mulch the tree, the Christmas tree, and it can end up, it's actually taken to a Living Earth facility where it is mulched. And so it can actually end up in a garden here in Houston, because once it's mulched, it ends up packaged as Living Earth Houston mulch, and it's marketed in various outlets here in Houston, one such as Lowe's. And so that Christmas tree can end up as mulch in your garden right here in Houston.
Now, that's cool. So we donate them to the city, and you get them mulched. Does the city get something back for that? I mean, when these people go out and sell it, is the city making money on that too?
Yes. Once it's taken to Living Earth, I'm not sure how much. I didn't even check on that, but I believe it's
something. It's more than nothing. And
yes.
It's better than the Christmas tree being the high-carb snack of the landfill.
Yes, and actually that money that the city receives is actually put back into our other recycling program. So it creates a wheel of savings, and it's a cycle.
Well, that's a great program. How do we get our tree to you? Do you guys pick up? Do you pick up off the street, or do we have to take it someplace?
Well, both. The city actually provides two different types of services. The City of Houston Solid Waste Management Department is partnering with Living Earth to sponsor Christmas tree recycling. And this is actually the 20th year that the city has provided these recycling opportunities to those residents with live trees.
What do we need to do to the tree, Sandra? Because, it has a lot of stuff on it right now.
Right. And the most important thing to remember is to remove all the decorations. The tree must be bare in order for it to be recycled. It has to be back in its natural state. So you have to remove the ornaments, remove the lighting, the tree stand, the water bowl. Just remove everything.
So all you got left is tree.
Right.
Are there any trees that you don't take?
We don't take flock trees. Actually, you can. We do take flock trees, but they will not be recycled.
Well, what will you do with a flock tree?
The flock tree is treated as refuse, so it's going to go into the landfill.
Okay, so that one does that's the tasty snack for the landfill.
But you will. But your point, I guess, is you'll pick it up off the street of some City of Houston waste, right?
Yes.
That won't be recycled. A flock
That's
tree.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, and there are also 14 locations, and we can find those on the website, right?
Actually, we have 17 locations. We may have 18. We are waiting on that one to be confirmed. But we opened up 2 new neighborhood depositories this year.
Well, by recycling your tree, it gets turned into mulch and saves landfill space and helps the environment. It's a good deal. Take advantage of the city's free program. To learn more, just Google Houston Christmas Tree Recycling, and you'll see the City of Houston link right there. Sandra, thanks for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
Singing deck the halls, but it's not like Christmas at all.